lagi nilang pinalulutang na di umano dinukot ang dating Pangulong Marcos. Anuhin natin 'to, aralin
Okey.
natin 'to, kinidnap. Una, maki-kidnap ba siya? Nandun yung pamilya niya at that time. Nandoon si Kitty, legal age na yun. Kaya
Mm.
'wag sabihin, okey? Ang rights kasi ng naaresto, okey, i-allow any member of the family to visit, 'di ba? Any
Mm.
member of the family. Hindi sinabi sa rules na all members of the family. Any, any member of the family. May or pa yun, or the doctor, or the lawyer. So, nung nandoon si Kitty, legal age, anak ni dating Pangulong Duterte, was that not enough para
Mm.
ma-comply yung batas? So, dapat 'wag nating baguhin yung batas, any member of the family. So, saan na yung violation dun? So, nakikita ko lagi nasasabi kinidnap, imagine, kinidnap pero may pa-pizza, may pagkain, may doktor, may lawyer.